taken us from this to this in only 3 hours, and this is how I did it. Everything off with an Abaddon Black undercoat, which was super easy to apply with our brush. After that, we got out our Macragge Blue and just applied it all over the model in some nice thin coats, making sure we're not getting too thick of a coat on there, especially being beginners. Don't want to clog up all that detail. After that, we were practicing our super fine brush skills by panel lining all of the recesses on the Ultramarine's armour, making sure we're using our Abaddon Black thinned down to the right consistency to go into all those recesses. This was probably the longest step and the most difficult step for new painters, but we got there in the end with lots of patience and a steady hand. After that, we picked out all of our red details, making sure we started out with a nice dark base tone and then highlighted everything back up with the original colour. With clear guidance on the skills and brush techniques, you can see that these two absolutely brand new painters were able to complete an entire miniature pretty comfortably and to a reasonably high standard as well. So this is the sort of stuff you could expect to see in one of my workshops. Everybody would be painting the same miniature, using the same 4 colours and the same techniques. So if you are someone looking to get into the hobby, or you know someone who wants to get into the hobby, make sure you check out the link in the video description and check out my website so you can sign yourself up to one of my workshops today. And you could also be seeing results just like this only after 1 session. So that by the end of the workshop, we'll have all reached our goal of having a tabletop ready miniature.